Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks for the week of the 9th until the 15th of November, and today we'll only be using washi tapes primarily, but instead of only using patterned washi tapes or solid washi tapes, I'm going to be showing you how I would use some of the decorated washi tapes like art washi, just like this one. So this is a little bit different, but if you're looking for inspiration on how to use these types of washi, then go ahead and stay until the end of the video. So here I'm just prepping the washi that I will be using, so the designs that I will be using. Now I only am going to be using the eye deco or eye art because this is inspired by the newest single from MAMAMOO, which is 𝒕𝒊𝒅𝒐. If you haven't seen the video before, I will link that down below so you will know the context of why I'm using all the eyes. But I won't spoil that video for you guys. So here I just did the bottom bar and I just layered pattern washi and then the art or deco washi on top. I used to really love these kinds of washi, but along the way I forgot about them and I didn't want to use them. But today is not that kind of day. I thought that it's about time I play around with these once again. So here I'm using the light colored clear dots on some of the areas of this art or washi art that should be shining, just like the pupils and the corner of the eye, so that when it hits the light it is shiny. And I thought that was a really good touch so that it looks more alive, so to speak. So I'm just recreating that on the right side of the page, so the right bottom bar, with a little difference, I mean. That's one of my tricks when I'm layering washi, is that I'm changing the order all of the time. It looks a little bit random here because it really is random. I just make sure that there's enough difference between the two parts of, well, for this deco it's going to be the bottom bars, so that it looks a little bit more interesting instead of just being the same thing over again. And it just cuts up the page into two pages, so you know that the two pages have different functions as well. So it's decorative, but at the same time it's slightly functional. And I'm sorry for my voice today because I am doing this voiceover kind of late in the night. It's actually almost midnight and I'm very tired. I had a long day, but a very good one. So that is the bottom bars done. Now we are moving on to the top of the page, and I'm just doing the exact same thing. I'm layering, but it's in a random order once again. So here I'm just adding another of the washi eye, and I should have done 4 of them, but I didn't. I only did 3. It could have represented all of the MAMAMOO members, but that was not in my head at the time and I just thought of it now. I kind of low-key regret it, but it's already done and I like the way how it turned out, although it would have been better if I did the 4 eyes. Once again, I'm putting down the clear dots on the places that should be shiny. So here, instead of the big ones or the big eye washi, I'm using the smaller washi strip. And then I'm going to do another one towards the bottom of the page. And this is just going to cut it up, or cut up this weekly page side into weekdays and weekends. It's very artsy, a little avant-garde because of the pattern washi that I'm using. And then I'm going to go ahead and adjust the placement of this red washi strip, and we are good to go. All done. So now it's time to fill out the page, and I'm going to be referring to my bullet journal, the monthly view, so I know what's happening in that week, and I'm just double checking with a monthly view of my Hobonichi Weeks, and I'm going to be using my Lamy fountain pen. I usually reserve this for my bullet journal, but today I was kind of feeling like I want to use it. I want something bold and very, very dark ink so that it will stand out against the very colorful deco that we have. It's very colorful, very artsy, but at the same time it's semi-minimalist because there's not a lot of different things going on, just enough to keep it interesting. And this is the close-up of the page, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.